I'm here in the Pasak neighborhood of Phuket, and in today's video I'm going to give you a guided tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom private pool villa which is listed for 28 million Thai baht, which is approximately 900,000 US dollars. So without further ado, let's head inside and show you guys around. So as you can see, the main living space of this villa is quite expansive. To my left here, we've got a beautiful decking area with a couple of sun lounges and a large pool, which is certainly long enough to get some exercise in. And over the side here, we've also got a garden space, perfect if you've got pets in the family. Now, as we move inside, the living and entertaining space is quite expansive. You can see in the background there, we've actually got some Christmas songs on. It's December the 28th, so guilty as charged. Happy Christmas, everyone. Now, over to the back here, what I really like as well is you can slide this open so you get a through wind coming through, so there's no need to have aircon on in the day. So we've got a large, beautiful real wood table here made from local timber. We've also got a large island with a cooking center here. We've also got a large fridge and an oven down here. So this area really is perfect for entertaining. You can have breakfast here. You've got the view of the TV, you've got the view of the pool over here. So it's a really, really nice communal space. Now, as we move around to the back of the ground floor, we've got what I guess we could call the master bedroom. So let's go and have a look at that. So this villa has 4 bedrooms, the first of which is on the ground floor. And this is a really, really nice open space surrounded by greenery. We've got the nice bush around the side there. Over here, we've got some sort of like vines, which creates sort of a jungle feel. And outside here, we've also got a private terrace area that around the side takes us to the garden and the swimming pool. So you can be straight out of your door and into the pool on the morning. So this is one of the bedrooms. Now around the back, there's also an expansive walk-in wardrobe and a big, big bathroom as well. Now this is one of the bedrooms on the ground floor. Let's go and have a look at the 3 on the upper floors. Actually, before we go upstairs to show you the bedrooms, I want to show you the ground floor, which I have to say is an awesome man cave. We've got a gym and a games room down there. So let's go and take a look. So this ground floor feature really sets this villa apart from the other villas in the project. It's absolutely awesome. I'd be spending so much time down here if I lived in here. I really like this real brick effect on the wall. It gives it a real sort of basement feel as well. We've got this amazing top quality pool table. We've got a bar over here. We've got a bathroom, which is absolutely going to be necessary if you're sinking a few of them. We've got a TV and a dartboard. And then through here, if you want to work off some of those calories, through here, we've even got a gym. Check this out. We've got a couple of treadmills. We've got a weights machine. Again, we've got a TV in here so you can get the news on or whatever you like to watch while you're working out. We've also got some natural light back there as well. So a very, very cool ground floor. So this is where I would definitely be spending a lot of my time. Let's head upstairs now and show you guys the other 3 bedrooms. Another nice, unique feature that I like about this particular villa is the office space that we've got on this top floor. Loads of light coming through the window here, which makes it a great place to focus and get some work done. So before we show you guys the bedrooms, I know I keep delaying it, but there's so much more communal space to show you. This beautiful rooftop area has got so much to offer. Just over here, we've got plenty of seating. Over there, we've got an awesome barbecue just here. Check this out. A top quality barbecue. Over here, we've got another dining table and somewhere to sit overlooking your garden. So another great place to hang out with the family. So let's head inside and show you guys the bedrooms. So 2 of the bedrooms here on the top floor are connected by this balcony outside. So you can see it's very, very stylishly designed with these dark wood type finishes, not cheap furnishings actually, very, very good quality. As we come outside, again, we've got a nice view of our garden and of the swimming pool. And just over here, like I mentioned, connecting to the other bedroom via the balcony outside. So we've got more storage here, sort of a different style. They're not using the dark wood like next door. And just this way, we've got the largest bedroom here on the top floor. They've left the Christmas music on in the background, whoops, but this is definitely the bedroom I'd be sleeping in. A large double bed, a nice view of the garden. Over here, we've got an extensive walk-in wardrobe, and if you want to join me through this way, you can see we've got a very, very stylishly designed, almost like a hotel style designed bathroom with some natural light through here. Very, very nice. And this sort of light marble style tiles, and also these bamboo towel racks, again, give it that sort of 5-star hotel feel. So plenty of room for people to sleep here on the top floor. We've got this large bedroom, and again, those 2 bedrooms on that side that are connected by the adjoining balcony. So a large top floor area with the outdoor space and the 3 bedrooms. So there you have it, guys, an absolutely beautiful 4-bedroom private pool villa just minutes away from the popular Bang Tao Beach and all the restaurants of Boat Avenue and Porta de Phuket. Now, if you are interested in checking this property out, it is available for viewing right now. You can reach us using my links that are on the screen right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.